Before I found the Avoid Divorce Now system, my marriage was on life support. Honestly, I didn't think we were going to make it. Every day felt like a fight, or worse, a cold silence. We were living as roommates, not as husband and wife. The emotional connection we used to have was completely gone. The constant arguing about money, about the kids, it was exhausting. I was at the point where I was ready to just give up. I felt so incredibly alone, like I was the only one holding things together. And the thought of divorce was becoming more and more real. I had tried everything else. Therapy, books, nothing seemed to work. So when I first saw this program, I was really skeptical. I mean, fix my marriage in just 3 to 7 weeks? It sounded way too good to be true, but I was desperate. I knew that according to the American Psychological Association, up to 50% of first marriages end in divorce, and I was terrified that we were going to be just another number in that statistic. With nothing to lose, I decided to give it a shot, and I am so glad I did. The system gave me a step-by-step roadmap to actually fix things. It's so practical and easy to follow. We didn't just talk about our problems, we learned how to solve them. For me, the biggest breakthrough was the chapter on conflict resolution. It taught us how to turn our shouting matches into productive conversations. We learned how to really listen to each other and express our needs without getting defensive. It was like learning a whole new language. And then there was the part about rekindling intimacy. We had lost all our passion and emotional connection. The program helped us find our way back to each other, not just physically, but emotionally. We started doing small things again, little gestures that made a huge difference. It also helped us tackle the big, scary issues, like our financial problems. We stopped blaming each other and started working as a team. For the first time in years, we created a shared vision for our future, and it felt incredible. We even dealt with some deep-seated resentments that had been silently eating away at our marriage for years. The system gave us the tools to finally let go of past hurts and move forward. This program didn't just save my marriage, it gave us a new one. A stronger, happier, more loving one than we ever had before. We're not just surviving anymore, we're thriving. We're building a future together, and it feels amazing. If you're feeling hopeless like I was, please don't wait. Don't become another statistic. This program gave me the tools to reclaim my happiness and save my family, and I know it can do the same for you. It's time to take control of your relationship and rewrite your story. You can get a copy of the Avoid Divorce Now system and all the bonuses that come with it by clicking the link in the description below right now. Trust me, it's the best decision you'll ever make.